Someone asked me a question. In English, I understood maybe 30% of it.
What did you do?
I said yes.
Was yes the right answer?
It was not.
What happened?
They had just asked me if I had a problem with something.
And you said yes.
I said yes. Confidently. Like I completely understood.
So you told them you had a problem.
I told a complete stranger I had a serious problem with their question. When actually, I had no idea what they even asked.
Tell us in the comments. Type yes or no. Has something like this happened to you? Just yes or no. Right now.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Spoken Warm. I am Mia.
I am Leo. And today, we are talking about that exact moment.
When you answer a question you did not understand.
And the answer is wrong.
And everyone knows it is wrong.
Except you. Because you did not understand the question.
5 phrases. That is all you need to stop this from ever happening again.
Okay, tell us exactly what happened.
So, I was at a work event. New people, new conversations. Someone walked up to me, very fast English, and said something like, "Do you have any issues with the new arrangement?"
And you caught maybe 30%?
I caught, "Do you have any?" And new. That is it.
And the rest?
Sound. Just sound.
So what went through your brain?
My brain said, they are asking if I have something. And the polite answer, when someone asks if you have something, is probably yes.
Your brain tried to help you.
My brain completely betrayed me.
What happened after you said yes?
They looked at me very seriously and said, "Oh, what issues are you having?"
And then?
And then I stood there for what felt like 400 years.
What did you actually say?
I said, "Actually, I am sorry. Could you repeat that? I am still getting used to the environment here."
And that saved you?
Completely saved me. They repeated. I understood. I said no. No issues. We laughed. Conversation continued.
One phrase changed the entire situation.
Completely.
And that phrase is number 2 on our list today. But we start with phrase 1, because phrase 1 is for the moment before you accidentally say the wrong answer. So why do we answer questions we did not understand?
2 reasons. First, pressure. Someone is waiting right now, looking at you, and silence feels rude.
So we fill the silence with anything.
Even a wrong answer.
Second reason?
Embarrassment. Saying, "I did not understand," feels like saying, "I am bad at English."
But here is the truth.
Answering incorrectly is far more embarrassing than asking someone to repeat themselves.
Always. Always.
Phrase 1. For the moment before you accidentally answer wrong.
Sorry, I did not quite catch that.
Say it with us. Sorry, I did not quite catch that.
Sorry, I did not quite catch that.
The word "quite" here is important. It softens the phrase. It does not say, I understood nothing. It says, I almost got it, but not completely.
Much gentler, much more natural.
For example, someone speaks fast, and you catch 30%. Before you guess the answer,
Sorry, I did not quite catch that. Could you say it again?
this buys you the repetition you need.
Phrase 2, the one that saved Mia.
Actually, I am sorry. Could you repeat that? I am still getting used to the environment here.
Say it with us. Could you repeat that? I am still getting used to the environment here.
Could you repeat that? I am still getting used to the environment here.
Why does this one work so well?
Because it gives a reason. You are not just saying, I did not understand. You are explaining, this environment is new to me. This is a completely human and relatable thing to say.
And it makes you sound more confident, not less.
Quick question. Which of these two phrases feels more natural to you? Type 1 or 2? Just the number.
Phrase 3, for when someone speaks too much, too fast.
Could you break that down for me?
Say it with us.
Could you break that down for me? Could you break that down for me?
Break it down means say it in smaller parts, simpler pieces.
For example, someone explains something in 5 long sentences, and you caught the first one.
That is really interesting. Could you break that down for me a little more?
This sounds curious, engaged, like you want to understand more, not that you missed everything.
Phrase 4, just to make sure I understood correctly, are you saying...
Say it with us. Just to make sure I understood correctly, are you saying...
Just to make sure I understood correctly, are you saying...
This is brilliant because you summarize what you think they said.
And if you got it wrong, they correct you.
For example, just to make sure I understood correctly, are you saying the meeting is on Friday, not Thursday?
And they say yes or no. And now you know what they actually meant.
No more wrong yes answers.
And phrase 5, this one is the bravest one.
The most honest one.
And sometimes the most honest phrase is the most powerful one.
Are you ready? Phrase 5. I want to make sure I give you the right answer. Could you say that one more time?
Say it with us. I want to make sure I give you the right answer. Could you say that one more time? Why is this the bravest one?
Because it is completely honest. You are saying, I care about giving you a real answer. Not a guess, not a wrong yes, a real answer.
And that is the most respectful thing you can say to another person.
It shows you value the conversation and you value them. Here is what I want every English learner to understand.
Go ahead.
Answering a question you did not understand. Trying to guess. Saying yes when you have no idea.
That does not make you look confident.
Using one of these phrases. Asking to repeat. Asking to break it down.
That makes you look confident.
Because it shows you are paying attention. You care about accuracy. You respect the conversation.
The bravest thing in any language
Is saying, I want to understand you properly.
that is not weakness.
That is intelligence.
3 words today. Quick, deep, useful.
Word 1, catch.
To catch something means to hear and understand it clearly.
I did not quite catch that.
Did you catch what she said? Catch in conversation. Nothing to do with hands. Everything to do with ears. Catch. Word 2, break down.
To break something down means to explain it in smaller, simpler parts.
Could you break that down for me? Let me break this down simply.
Break down is a phrasal verb. 2 words, 1 meaning. Explain simply. Break down.
Word 3, clarify.
To clarify means to make something clearer and easier to understand. Could you clarify what you mean? Let me clarify my question.
Clarify sounds formal, but is used in everyday conversations too.
Clarify.
Today's 5 phrases.
Sorry, I did not quite catch that. Could you repeat that? I am still getting used to the environment here. Could you break that down for me? Just to make sure I understood correctly, are you saying, I want to make sure I give you the right answer. Could you say that one more time?
Write them down. Use one this week.
And tell us, type the wrong answer you once gave because you did not understand the question. Just the answer. One word. We want to see them.
If this helped, subscribe to Spoken Warm. New episode every week.
See you next week.
Take care. Bye for now. Happy learning.